Hi everybody, I'm Chris Ritter. I'm the librarian here at the AACA Library Research Center, and today we're going to talk about the Ncrs Collection. Ncrs is short for the National Corvette Restorer Society, and they were formed in 1975 and dedicated to Corvettes. This literature collection that you see here was brought to us in 2005. Ncrs still owns the material, but we naturally house it here in our secured environment. The collection's fairly diverse, and within the collection they have a large quantity of service bulletins, service manuals, parts catalogs and lists, General Motors service bulletins, plenty of assembly manuals ranging from 1953 all the way up to 1986, a decent-sized literature collection focused specifically on Corvettes, more parts lists and engineering information, judging manuals and guidelines specific to the Ncrs, a small book collection, club publications, and in just a few minutes or a few seconds we're going to walk downstairs and take a look at the Ncr S Blueprint Collection. A really nice feature of this collection is the fact that nearly everything has been digitized. Ncrs outsourced that project in around 2011. So it makes our job easier when we're trying to communicate with people at a distance. They tell us exactly what they're looking for, and more often than not we can just email them a specific page of a specific document. So, like I said, let's take a walk downstairs and get a closer look at the Ncr S Blueprint Collection. Okay, as promised, we're down in the lower level of the library. Going to take a quick look at the Ncr S Blueprint Collection, which is housed right here. There's a couple hundred blueprints ranging from wheel hubs to frames from the 50s Corvettes, spark plug supports, and even a radio operating tag. Okay, let's open a drawer and take a closer look at one specific drawing, this one being the drawing for the radio operating tag in 1963. Okay, taking a closer look at this drawing print for the radio operating tag. One thing that we know about car guys is that they're very precise and very specific. So if you need to reproduce this tag, this drawing would definitely be valuable because it shows you not only that this was originally produced on yellow tag stock, but that the letters were all red. The drawing gives the size for the primary letters, and it also gives a size for the secondary letters. You can reproduce this tag by looking at the measurements for the holes, the distance where the hole should be centered, and the overall dimensions. Okay, so that's the radio tag. I did mention earlier that all of these blueprints are digitized, and the only negative about digitizing blueprints is that the digital file is not going to be to scale. So while it's convenient, you can see it on your computer screen, you could even print it out onto your own piece of paper, it won't give you the exact dimensions that the original blueprint was. These prints range anywhere from 8.5 by 11 all the way up to 3 feet by 2 feet. So if there's a specific drawing that you need to look at, you could just give us a call, find out the exact dimensions, and we'll help you out in any way that we can. That's the Ncrs Collection, and we hope to hear from you soon.